This is one of our favorite places to test the new lift and suspension system in the vehicle. Just a small kind of little step up, but it is fairly aggressive but safe at the same time. See the drone filming over here, so we'll go ahead and go up this. And this GMC Denali lifted trucks only off-road center. One thing I really love about this Denali dually is the way that it drives on the street. I mean, obviously it, does really well off-road, but just the way it operates on the street, it is very luxurious. The ride is amazing. You've got this heads-up display. I don't know if you guys can see it. Gives you, off-road information, speed. You can customize that. Digital dash. Just beautiful, luxurious inside.